Confused? You've come to the right place. Lesson 2, median. Finding the median. What is the median? Not a highway, but it does have something in common. Just like the space between a divided highway, the median is the middle number. Let's give it a try. Median for an odd set of numbers. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we just look to the middle place. There's 2 below, 2 above. We have ourselves the median. It's 3. Let's add a little more challenge. The median for an unsorted set of numbers. 7, 1, 9, 4, and 6. We gotta put these in order, don't we? So let's put them in order. Now it's just like the last question. We've got the midpoint. We got 2 below, 2 above. The midpoint is 6. The median equals 6. Let's increase the challenge a little bit more. This next one could be a little bit confusing. We may have to practice it extra. The median for an even set of numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very basic set. But there's no middle number. So with no middle number, what are we supposed to do? We have 2 below what should be the midpoint and 2 above. So to find what's between the first and second halves, the 2 below and the 2 above, we add the 2 numbers in the middle and then divide it by 2. So you got 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then we divide it by 2. So 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. That's our median, 2.5. That's it for median. Thank you for watching. And our next lesson is mode. And these are our references. Thank you.